Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC. I'm inside the Sierra Denali Ultimate, and I'm going to be showing you how to set your automatic mirrors so that they'll automatically close when you lock the vehicle and open when you unlock it. So let's hop right in. We're going to start by going to our settings menu on our infotainment screen. But right now I have the mirrors folded out. To normally do it, you just press this button here. And then to open, you press it once again. Now we're going to hop into the infotainment screen, going to the settings inside of vehicle. Press the wrong button. Inside of vehicle. And then we're going to scroll down to comfort and convenience. Then you have remote mirror folding. So now they're on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the truck off. Going to go ahead and hop out. And then I'm going to go ahead and lock it. And the mirrors fold in. Now as I'm walking up and I want to get inside, you just unlock it from the key fob and it's unlocked. Same as if you press the keyless entry and exit. Locking it closes the mirrors, and unlocking it opens the mirrors. Very convenient for when you're in and out of parking garages, and well, I like it for the lot so it's easier to walk through cars. If that was helpful, like always, I'll see y'all in the next one.